This is one of the clicker games in the world. I call it another clicker game. Clicking on this white rectangle awards points. While this is nearly infinity fun, there's more. A shop where one may buy sliders to increase their multiplier. Shown here is the top left number. And no clicking game is complete without the automation of clicking. Shown here is the top right number after having the multiplier applied. Hours of fun to be had, years of life to be wasted, but my plans for another clicker game are grand and ever expanding. Much like your points in another clicker game. Now for a look behind the scenes. If you are squeamish, you may wish to avert your eyes. This yummy snippet of code is where the points are held. They are held as a float, basically a precise decimal for the layman, then converted to an integer here in the update method. This is where we calculate the speed at which the sliders decrease. It is an ever-evolving formula of trial and error to find the most bestest calculation. You may notice the variable dampener. This variable slows their descent and is upgradable in-game. And here is where the magic of the shop occurs. This method is used to check if you have the funds for a purchase, as well as to increase the price after a purchase. The price increase equation is but another ever-evolving formula. And this is what your standard store purchase method looks like in another clicker game. Passing the price of your purchase through the pay method, returning you without your precious upgrade if the enough variable read false. But assuming you had the points to satisfy our binary gods, the method continues, unlocking the appropriate riches. You know, all this junk. If you are interested in playing another clicker game, why? But if this question did not deter you, once this video reaches 1 trillion views, I shall release the game on itch.io. Or if one person asks for it, I guess I will too. Why?